Today's webinar is submitting STAR-CCM Plus to the TotalCAE Public Cloud. Once you log into the web portal, you're going to select your simulation file. I've already uploaded this sim file. Next, you can select a Java macro file to drive your simulation or use the built-in default. If you use your bring your own license model, we've already have access to your on-premise license server from the cloud. Otherwise, you can use the Power On Demand pod licensing and put that in here for the on-demand key. I can adjust the number of cores that I want to run. In this case, I'll run 760 cores. And I can see that the approximate cost per hour for this model is $62.40. That's just for the compute time for the types of machines we're using. The licensing is not included in that per hour cost. However, that gives you a feel for how much this job may cost, so you can decide, do you want to submit this to the public cloud, or would you prefer to submit this to your on-premise HPC, which is also managed by TotalCAE. Now let's go ahead and click Submit, and we will get a job ID. Now the public cloud computers will turn on and start calculating the STAR-CCM Plus simulation. We can now look at our job that's running and see that it's running on nodes 5 through 19 on the cloud. Once this job completes, we're just going to go ahead and click on the work directory here, and we'll be able to download any of the results that we have just by clicking the download button. Now on the TotalCAE Public Cloud, once the job's complete, you'll receive an email, and then the downloaded simulation files will automatically show up on premise. This way, if the job would complete at 1 in the morning, you don't have to get in and work in the morning and then click download. While you're sleeping, the results are streaming back to your on-premise system so that you're able to simply load those files up as soon as you get to work in the morning and start post-processing. Alternatively, you can use the TotalCAE Viz server, for example, if you just need to change the mesh or make some calculation change without having to download the results. You can do that pre and post processing 100% in the cloud with just pay-as-you-go on-demand visualization. We're also able to monitor the status of our public cloud nodes. In this case, we can see we have 780 cores, and all of them are currently allocated to this job. If you're interested in learning more about how to run STAR-CCM Plus both on the public cloud and on the TotalCAE on-premise HPC appliance, you can go to our website at totalcae.com/STAR-CCM Plus, where we have a white paper you can register for that goes into a deeper dive on these kinds of options that you saw today in the video.